Welcome back, guys. Now let me show you 1 week results of my Facebook ad campaign which was related to selling domain names. So yeah, this is my official page, all around ads, and as you can see in the post. Now let me go to the ad manager. So yeah, cancel. This is my personal ad account, and this is my business ad account, which is all around ads, and this is ad manager, and as you can see ad account ID. Just click here, and I have started this campaign from December 2020 2022 and ended, as you can see, January 2, but I am going to stop now. So let me go to the edit section. Over here you can see let me show you the starting date. You can see daily budget $1.5. You can see started and ended, but I'm going to stop now. So yeah, as you can see in the previous video I have set worldwide, but after 4 or 5 days I have changed to this top tier countries like Canada, UK, Australia, and here you can see. So yeah, so first let me stop. And by the way, in between this 1 week my ad got rejected, so I can see you in my email box. So let me navigate. Yeah, as you can see, your business account, actually not ad account, my business account was actually restricted from advertising, and here it says the review of your business account. So yeah, so let me show you the couple of screenshots which I have taken. So just wait. No, this one. And you can see, let me go to the full screen, and as you can see the date, December 28, 2022, and today is December 29. So yeah, it was restricted from Facebook account, from Facebook team. So as you can see, this is the error. Let me show you the second one. No, this one. Yeah, I have this first one. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this one, if you, when I went back to my ad account, and the error looks like this. As you can see in the screenshot, you can see my cursor here. It was yesterday, 28 December. So this is how it looks like when your business account, Facebook business account, got restricted. It was not banned, but it was restricted, as I have shown you in this email, as you can see 2 days ago, December 27. So it was restricted. Then what I did, I went back to my account quality, let me show you. Then from here I have requested a review. So to review that, Facebook recommends some couple of things. First, you need to verify your confirm identity. So you can for confirm your identity, you can upload your PAN card or your driving license or your citizenship. As you can see, date requested, yesterday I requested, and within a couple of hours actually my decision was made from Facebook, and I can show you from Facebook email. As you can see, 20 hours ago And here the Facebook team says, after a request review of your business account or your ads, we have determined that its access to advertising and selling should not be restricted. So your business accounts, ad shops and other assets return to their previous status. So they apologize for their inconvenience. So yeah, so now my account quality is all good. Actually I got restriction on business account, not ad account. If you got a restriction or ban in your ad account, just create another ad account and delete the previous ad account. So but it was restricted on my ad account. So this is the issue that I have faced yesterday. So yeah, let me show you the result. Okay, so go to ad section. So actually I was selling, the domain names. This is the site, as you can see. Let me show you 1 week result. Go to do your best. Filter this one from 2022 to 29. Okay, so it is still active. I will delete this campaign, but first let me show you the result. So from December 2020 to December 29. So as you can see, let me go to the edit section. First I will show you as you can see, this is the setup and this is the ad set. You see, performance goal was maximum number of link clicks. So my main goal was to get sales, but in Facebook ad campaign my performance goal is to maximize number of link clicks. So first, whenever the user clicks on this link, it is highly that they will buy this domain, but none of them bought the domain. So yeah, as you can see, and this is 2 days. Previously in the previous video you can see that I have set worldwide, but after 4 days I have changed to this countries: United States, Canada, India, United Kingdom, Australia. So yeah, so this is cancel ad. This is manual. You can see. So yeah, so my main goal was to get sales, and in Facebook ads the objective was to get maximum number of link clicks. Okay, so yeah, you can see these are the ads. So go to campaign, select this one, so here you can see results: 1230 clicks, link clicks. Okay, and total cost is $10.94. Total is $10.9, and cost per result, CPR, which is, you can see in the column, $0.01. And this is the impression, and this is the reach, and yeah, now let me show you Google Analytics. All these on ads. And here let me go to December 20 to 29, and you can see 462 users, and average engagement time 2 seconds. You can see organic, social, and this is direct. And you can see the countries, and in the top, India 187, the Bangladesh, in Nepal, which is my own country, Algeria, Libya, Somalia, Iraq. So I have noticed no traffic actually comes from USA, Canada. It's because at first I have set the location to worldwide, then after 4 or 5 days I have set to these top tier countries, Canada, USA, and within that I have set India. So yeah, this is the result I'm showing live. You can see this is the title of the website, page view, and this is it. And this click, and you can see click 22, and this one click, you can see, and this one link clicks 1230 is different than this click. Why? It's because this link clicks represent the user clicked from our Facebook ad. Whenever they interacted with our ads, from here they click the ads, just like. So this is the link clicks here in ad manager, and this link clicks, this click means when the user visited our website, then they click this link, for example this one. So whoever visited our site, and from them 22 people clicked, and 50 scroll, just like this one scroll. And first video is 461, and this is session start, and this is total page view within 1 week. So this is the result I'm showing you live.